So, from a school counselor's point of view, I definitely support the arts in the public school system. I think it's something that can help students feel good about themselves. It can help with self esteem issues, especially if you're a student that has a disability. um, it can really help you feel like you're a part of the student body, part of the general ed population. If they're having issues, problems in, reading, math, the core subjects, and they go to their art class, which could be, dancing, acting, drawing, painting, and they're good at that, or they find something that they're good at in the arts, that can really help them feel like they belong, where maybe in a regular English or a regular math class, they just don't feel that way. And I think that anything that can help students care about their education, want to come back to school, is a positive thing. You need a little bit of balance. It can't just all be, academic stuff. You need the extracurricular activities and the arts to help balance that. It can become very stressful, and I've learned in the last year and a half in this program, students are asked to do so much, and they're really stressed out, which leads to anxiety and leads to depression. And so anything that can help alleviate that is very important. As far as the video that we just watched, I think she's talented. She's very talented, and I think it's a good way of her to help us understand, those of us that are not schizophrenic and that don't understand, that her drawing it out it's amazing. It's really amazing. But for me, someone it's not familiar with schizophrenia, it does help me kind of understand what's going through her head. And I like that she says that she wants to normalize mental illness and help educate people. And also that she says that people often are confused when she tells them that she hears voices, and she hopes that the arts will change that. So I think that's her outlet. That's her way of helping people understand what's going on in her head. And maybe other kids aren't going to be as good as drawing as her, but maybe they can express themselves through dance or through acting or painting, anything else that can help them express themselves, feel part of the student body, feel I don't want to say normal, but feel a part of that normalcy, I guess. Because I'm not trying to say that they're not normal, because of course they are. But I definitely think that it's a great idea, and as a school counselor, I will 100% support it and support anything that comes my way. We're there to help students and help them achieve in their academics, but also in their social life, and anything that's going to help them build their self-esteem. I think is a plus for me.